हमारी स्पीकर्स की सीरीज में आज आइडियाज में आपके साथ है शिवांगी माथुर, जो कि ऑल द वे फ्रॉम पुणे शी इज हियर एंड शी इज बाय प्रोफेशन एन इंजीनियर एंड फिर उसके बाद शी इज नाउ टर्निंग अप इनटू अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बर्डिंग राइटर, जिनकी बुक भी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सी है, द ट्रायड ऑफ फिनिक्स, एज यू कैन सी। तो शिवांगी, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि आप वाइस वर्बिम कॉन्से में कैसे आए। आपकी बुक लॉन्च हुई है तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा, कैसे मिले आप उनसे, एंड फिर आप अपनी बुक के बारे में भी हमें बताइए।
Okay, so the very first thing, I call myself as a DevOps engineer and I am a DevOps engineer. So basically, I think I am a single child and I have always found the solace in writing. Because I think if I'm talking to you somewhere, you will judge me or someone else will judge me. And book is something, or diary is something जो कभी judge नहीं करेगा आपको. So writing was always my forte, but I never went into this profession. So in 2019, I got associated with the World of Hidden Thoughts. Even I am in Splendid Voices of the version of the World of Hidden Thoughts. Then after that, what happened that one day I connected with Karthik, and what happened that he just mentioned that you should go ahead and you should write your own book. I was in a zone of writing my own book, but I didn't know that this is a very early stage for me to write my own book. I'm just 24. So writing my own book was like something, a very big achievement for me. So then I connected with Karthik and then he motivated me, and somewhere I find that I have raised myself from ashes. Like a typical mythical bird phoenix, which rise herself from ashes. So similarly, I think I have raised myself. So that's why I named it as the triad of phoenix. The triangle, the three edges represents the rebirth, resilience, and transformation. So and even I carved those on my hands because I feel like why I'm in writing. I have given my half of my life to my friends who were very close to my heart and everything, but something happened and then I found that you can't trust someone really easily. So that's the motive of writing the book and rising from the ashes.
इतनी कम एज में यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस सो मच, लाइक योर राइट अप शोज दैट यू हैव मैच्योर्ड इन राइटिंग इन एवरीथिंग। तो हाउ कम दिस इज पॉसिबल, लाइक क्या क्या चीजें, क्या अनुभव, एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे होंगे, क्या इंस्पिरेशन रही इन सारी चीजों के पीछे?
Okay, so basically, okay, if you are a human being, you always tend to say कि मेरी लाइफ हमेशा स्क्रिप्टेड होनी चाहिए, कि मुझे पता है कि कल मुझे क्या करना है, I know after 5 minutes what I have to do, but life doesn't go that way.
Definitely.
And there is a girl named as Akriti, and उसको भी लगता है कि लाइफ हमेशा स्क्रिप्टेड होती है. उसको लगता है she is happy when other person is happy. वो खुश तभी हो सकती है जब सामने वाला खुश हो सकता है. But at the end of the day, when life just give you a backlash and life teaches you a lesson at a very very early age, then you realize that no, you can be happy in yourself only. आप किसी और की खुशी में अपनी खुशी कभी नहीं देख सकते. So I guess and what I see in today's generation, that people are only happy when someone else is there in their life. They cannot enjoy their own company. So that's why I wrote this book, to know people should know that yes, you can find happiness in vulnerabilities as well.
Actually, people like you should always promote this thing, that except Instagram reels, except all this like social media, you have something else also to express yourself.
Exactly, and that's why, as I told you, I find writing is a peace for me.
Yes.
I have written 2-3 diaries of my life.
Wow.
If that comes out, my
Journal.
parents will kill me. But that's something I know that I can express. मेरे दिल में I'll put it out and I'll just say ठीक है भाई, हो गया, मेरे दिल में था, मैंने कर दिया. But in today's generation सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया है and आपके साथ कोई है या आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, आप तभी खुश हो. But it's not like that. You have and people should understand. Like today I can see that लोग सुसाइड कर लेते हैं थोड़ी चीज़ों पे. But you have to see that there are always strengths and vulnerabilities. अगर vulnerabilities नहीं है, you cannot clean your system. If I talk about my database, अगर vulnerability नहीं है तो मैं उसे clean भी नहीं कर पाऊँगी. So if I can't see those vulnerabilities in my life, I won't be able to rebirth or I won't be able to clean that thing.
So you have like lived this book.
Yeah, I have lived this book.
Definitely, I'm like understanding with your words that you have lived this book. The other question is mine is कि आप वाइस वर्से में आए, वाई वर्से में, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? आपका बुक लॉन्च है, इतनी कम एज में आप बुक लिख रहे हो, and you have matured enough in your age, like it's too early to write some kind of maturity. तो ये कैसा आपका बुक लॉन्च कैसा रहा, कैसा फीलिंग रहा?
Yes. Okay, the very first thing, coming on a very big flat platform, all thanks to Karthik. He motivated me. And when I came to Worst Vibe, it's a very, like, if you say a achievement that there is a name of you and there's a fully fledged novel on you, which is being launched by a publication. I am associated for over 5 years now. In
Okay.
2019, I was associated with them. So it was a very overwhelming moment. I cannot express those things in my words. My parents were there in the event.
Okay.
They were there. They just listened. They read the story from my own mouth. So they don't know that I have experienced such things. So these are fiction story for them. But
कुछ एक इसमें ऐसी स्पेशल एक कुछ चीज है जो आप हमें यहाँ पे बताना चाहोगे इस बुक के अंदर ऐसा?
they are just events.
They are just events. Okay.
That happen now. That's what I feel. That happen now.
Okay. It's
So-
general events which we all are facing.
Everyone is facing it.
Okay.
Somewhere deep down, everyone is facing it.
Everyone
Trust
is facing
is something which everyone is facing now. Trust is
Yeah,
something
it's,
which everyone. And
yeah.
even वो एक कहावत होती है ना कि आपके खुद के लोग ही आपको backstab करते हैं. तो that's the only
We all agree to it.
कोई
actually.
अननोन आपको कभी हर्ट नहीं करेगा. आपके खुद के लोग ही आपको हर्ट करेंगे. एक अननोन आपको क्यों हर्ट करेगा? They don't even know you. Why would they think bad for you? So आपके खुद के लोग ही आपको हर्ट करते हैं. And then जब आपके खुद के हर्ट